Hi friends, this is Venkat. Welcome to Tips and Tricks YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to look about interesting topic counting figures part 2. This is very much important in many competitive exams like SSC CGL, GATE, IBPS, etc. So in many exams they will ask questions regarding triangles mainly. So we will try to solve as many as problems as possible. In the part 1 we have discussed only the basic concept, and in this part 2 we will try to learn more depth problems. So let's begin. So the first question is, this is a given triangle. So this is the given triangle. In this triangle there are how many number of triangles inserted. So we will try to solve. You will in the oldest method you will try to solve like this. 1, this is second, this is third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. And while you are calculating these triangles, the time may take so much. So the shortcut method is, so these are the seven triangles, right? So the another triangle is, this is another triangle, this is, suppose this is one triangle. So like that there will be 13 triangles. The how will be the shortcut? So the shortcut is make it into divisions. So consider this as a first division. So there are three divisions, right? So write numbers like this. So this is first to 1, and 1 plus 1 gives 2, and 2 plus 1 gives 3, and this is third, and 3 plus 3 gives 6. So right, so see, this is the tree. So this is right, 1 2 3. So there are three divisions in this. So write the first part as 1 only, then make it as addition. So 1 plus 1 gives 2, so 2 plus 1 gives 3, and 3 plus 3 gives 6. So calculate this. So there are 10 triangles in this. So I have told you previously that there are 13 triangles. So 3 triangles, how? So the simplest trick is, from downside take alternatively. That means leave 6 and only take 3. It will give 10 plus 3 equal to 13. So let's take another example. So this is a given triangle. So it has three divisions only, but so many like this. So 1 2 3 4. So there are four triangles. I have previously told you that write like this. That means write 1 2 3 and 4. So I have told you that write 1 as 1 only. Now 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and 6 plus 4 equal to 10. So 16, 20. So there are 20 triangles. So I have told you that from downside take alternatively. That means leave 10, take 6, leave 3 and take 1. So here 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So we have got 20 triangles. So 20 plus 7 is equal to 27 triangles. So there are 27 triangles. So we will try to solve another model also. So this is the given model. So there are four triangles inserted, embedded in it. So these are the four triangles, like one, this is second triangle, this is third, and this is fourth triangle. And they have drawn like these lines. That means they have drawn intersection lines, or make one triangle into two. So how to solve? This may be panic for some students, so I am here to solve you easily. So the short trick method is, so first I will tell you the concept. So the main concept is, so make it into divisions. That means this is the first triangle, right? So write it as 1 for first, that means a bigger triangle, they say outer triangle. So take outer triangle as 1, and then it has another triangle embedded in it, that means take this as triangle. So I am telling this outer triangle and this inner triangle, that means this only in a diagram. So there are 1 2 3 4. So when I draw another triangle in one big triangle, there are four triangles again. So the concept is, when we add another triangle in it, it gives four triangles extra. So write four triangles. And when we add another triangle, it also gives four triangles extra. That means this is a bigger triangle, so it gives 1 2 3 4 triangles now. So like that, when we add another triangle, it also gives another four triangles. So how many triangles are embedded in this? So this is the bigger triangle, take a bigger triangle as 1, and for this triangle I have written 4, and for this triangle I will be writing 4, and for this small triangle also I will be writing 4. So there are how many triangles in this? So there are 13 triangles in this. So what about these intersecting lines or this these middle lines? That means they have made this bigger triangle into two halves. That means for we have to add only the extra parts. That means this is one extra triangle, this is one extra triangle, this is one, this is one, this is one, this is one. So like that, there are how many triangles extra? That means we have to add only the extra parts. We have 6 extra parts. So for this 13, add extra parts. So for here also there are again intersection. So right, there will be also 6. That means for this add 13 plus 6 plus 6. So 13 plus 12. It gives 26 triangles, right? So you have understood the concept. So this is the main concept. As I previously in the part 1 I have told you that when the triangle is given with the intersection line, so take natural number, that means we will write directly 3 triangles. So in this case not possible, because we have taken this big triangle and they have made into two halves. That means we have to write only the extra parts. That means this is one extra triangle, this is one extra triangle. So there are how many triangles total? There are 26 triangles in total. So when there is a given a square part like this and they have written like this, and there are total 2 triangles in this. So when it is given like this, that means there are how many triangles in this? So there are 1 2 3 4. So we will directly write there are 4 triangles in this question. So this may be the wrong answer, because there are big triangles involved this also. That means this is one triangle, right? So plus 1. So this is another triangle, so plus 1. So this is one triangle plus 1, and this is another triangle plus 1. So there are how many triangles? 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So there are 8 triangles in this question. So like this, when we take another example, so it may be easy for these small questions. When there are big questions involved in this, we will try to solve in the next questions. So it will become hard. So write number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are 8 triangles. You will directly write there are 8 triangles. This is easy question. So this is the wrong answer. We have to add the bigger triangles involved this also. So this is one triangle, this is one triangle, and this is one triangle, this is one triangle. So there are 8 plus 4 and plus 4, so there are 16 triangles. So I will tell you the shortcut trick. The shortcut trick is write numbers. That means when there is a given like this and you have 4 equal parts, that means you directly write multiply with 2. That means 4 2's 8, and when you have 8 equal parts, you multiply it with 2. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So there are 16 triangles in this question. So when the problem is given like this, in between square and triangles, you directly multiply it to any question. So this is the concept. We will solve tougher problems. So this is a given example. As I previously told you, in square they have drawn triangles. So as I previously told you that this is in the shape of square and it have triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have told you that double the sum or multiply it with 2. That means 4 into 2 is equal to 8. For this part only it has 8 triangles. For this part it is also having 4, so multiply it with 2, that means 8. For this part it has 8, so total there are 16 triangles. You will directly write the answer 16. So this is the wrong answer. As I previously told you that you have to add bigger triangles also. So where are the bigger triangles? I will show you now, don't panic. So this is one triangle, so add plus 1. So this is another triangle, plus 1. So there are how many triangles in this? So there are 18 triangles in this. That means when you are making double of this, you have to add bigger triangles in this also. So there is no possibility of another triangle because we have calculated this. So these are only the bigger triangles and it is the possibility. So we have written it as 18. So this is the given question. So given question consists of so many triangles. So how to solve this? That means make it into divisions. For your understanding, I will make it into divisions. While you are solving, you can directly solve. That means this is the given question, means you have one triangle, right? So as I previously told you that it has a 4 parts, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. As I told you that make a double of it. That means 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. It completed. So for this triangle I have drawn extensions. That means like this. So these are also the 4 parts, right? For these 4 parts, this is 1 part, 2 part, 3 and 4 part. For these 4 parts also I am making double of it. So for this 8 triangles. For this also same concept na. In this square they have embedded one triangle. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. For this 4 also I am making it double. So 8 plus 8. So total we have how many 8s? That means 8 plus 8 plus 8. You will get 24. So 24, and you have another also. That means these are one triangle, these two, these three, these four. That means plus 4. So total you have 28 triangles in this. So I will try to explain again for your better understanding. That means, so consider this outer triangle only. Don't consider this. Consider this outer triangle only, right? So there are how many triangles in this? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it into double, right? So 8. So for this triangle I have made extension. That means I have drawn extension like this. So there are how many triangles? There are 4 into 2 plus 8. For this side also there are 8 triangles. So when I draw extension, it also gives another 2 triangles extra. That means we have to draw these 2 triangles also. That means there are 4 triangles extra. So write plus 4. It gives 28 triangles. So this is the given question. So it seems to be like a big question, but it is the easiest problem. So I am here, don't panic. We will try to solve in the shortcut method. That means there is a square and it has extension in the cross lines. So that means there are how many, and there is also another square and it has also extension. So how to solve? So make it into numbers. That means this is first triangle, this is the second triangle, this is third, this is a fourth triangle, this is fifth triangle, this is sixth, this is seventh, this is eighth. As I previously told you the concept that when you have these square type questions in triangles, you try to double the sum. That means 8 into 2, it gives 16. And it has also another extension. That means you write numbers in this first triangle, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and it has also 8 parts. That means 8 into 2, again double. The concept is when you have the triangles like this, you try to double it. That means we have 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So there are total how many triangles? 16 plus 16, there are 32 triangles, right? We don't add any bigger triangles in this. So you will ask that previously you have told that add bigger triangles. That means we have already added these into parts and these into parts. There is no extension for these big triangles. See, let's when you try to add this bigger triangle, see we have already added this bigger triangle, so no need to add those bigger triangles. So this is the easy method. So this is the given question. I will make it into parts, right? So this is the first box, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and 8 into 2 16. Like that you have another triangle, so 8 into 2 16. So it is the easiest problem. You have total 32 triangles in this. So this is the very much important question. So don't panic, I am here to solve in the easiest method. So this is the given star type of question and it has so many triangles embedded in this. We can't calculate by the oldest method. So the simplest method is make it into divisions. That means consider this square type division only. So suppose there is a square type divisions which consists of how many? Total 1, like this, right? So there are how many divisions in this? So write numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6, and again this 7 8. So there are 8 divisions, 8 number of divisions. The concept is make it into double. That means 16 triangles. So for this square type question there are 16 triangles right side. That means 16 triangles completed. So consider these cone type triangles. That means this is a triangle. The first concept is we have told you that 1 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 triangles. So there are 3 triangles. Like this model there are another 3. That means for one triangle it has 3. That means this 3 3 3 3. So 3 into 4, 12. So completed. So how many parts are completed? This square type part is completed, this cone type part is completed. So how many parts are completed now? 2 parts completed. So the remaining part is, so this is the remaining part, right? So there are how many remaining parts like this? So this is considered as one part, this is one part, this is one part, and this is one part. So total there are 4 into we, this is, so consider this as one bigger triangle, this is one bigger triangle. So there are how many bigger triangles? 2. That means 4 into 2 8. So there are how many triangles in this? So total there are 36 triangles. So for your easy understanding, so this is the last division, right? So don't do it as 1 2 3 4 and make it into 8 triangles. So this is not the concept. The concept is it has only, we have calculated these parts, so make it into one bigger triangle. This is one bigger triangle. So there are 2 bigger triangles. So consider, say there are 4 types like this. That means 4 into 2 8. So we have calculated for the square type, it came it as 16. So for this cone type it came it as 12. For this bigger triangles it came it as 8. So add it, 10 10 plus 16. So there are 36 triangles in this. So these are the different types of counting figures, and I have told you many shortcut tricks where it is useful in many competitive exams. So do subscribe my channel, please like and share it, so it will be an improvement for me. So when you share and subscribe and like my videos, it will be a great boost up for me and I can make more and more videos. So thank you.